Hi guys, and welcome to English Cafe Class. In today's video, we will be focusing on beginner English expressions, particularly for learners who have a level of A1 or beginners. It is really important in this video to listen and repeat every expression. We really start to program English language when we repeat what we hear. So let's get started. Beginner English expressions, level A1. Remember to listen, to repeat out loud, and then to review each expression. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. How are you? How are you? How is it going? How is it going? How's it going? How's it going? How is it going? How's it going? How is it going? How's it going? How is life? How is life? How's life? How's life? How is it going? How's life? How is it going? How's life? How have you been? How have you been? I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. I'm great, thanks. I'm great, thanks. I'm all right, thanks. I'm all right, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. Pretty good. Pretty good. Not bad. Not bad. I've had better days. I've had better days. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome. Not a problem. Not a problem. My pleasure. My pleasure. What is your name? What is your name? What's your name? What's your name? What is your name? What's your name? What is your name? What's your name? My name is Sandra. My name is Sandra. My name's Sandra. My name's Sandra. My name is Sandra. My name's Sandra. My name is Sandra. My name's Sandra. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Canada. I am from Canada. I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. I am from Canada. I'm from Canada. I am from Canada. I'm from Canada. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? What do you do? What do you do? I am an English teacher. I am an English teacher. I'm an English teacher. I'm an English teacher. I am an English teacher. I'm an English teacher. I am an English teacher. I'm an English teacher. Are you up too much these days? Are you up too much these days? I'm working a lot. I'm working a lot. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you off to? Where are you off to? I haven't seen you for ages. I haven't seen you for ages. I'm glad to see you. I'm glad to see you. Long time no see. Long time no see. It's nice today. It's nice today. What a lovely day today. What a lovely day today. It's such a nice day. It's such a nice day. Let's meet up. Let's meet up. Let's catch up. Let's catch up. Let's do something soon. Let's do something soon. Sorry, could you repeat that, please? Sorry, could you repeat that, please? Sorry, I didn't understand you. Could you please repeat that? Sorry, I didn't understand you. Could you please repeat that? Pardon? Pardon? Sorry? Sorry? A pleasure to meet you. A pleasure to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. See you soon. See you soon. See you later. See you later. Bye. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Congratulations! You are now ready to have basic beginner level conversations in English. But don't forget, remember the key to progress is consistency and repetition. So remember to review this video to help you retain your knowledge. Until next class.